Hello students, I am uploading this video on the chapter Geometry. Already many things I have explained in the live class. In my practice time 1, in this chapter you will get an introduction about geometry. Geometry is related with the shape, different shape of any objects. Okay, it may be a plane figure. So in my practice time 1, you have to what you have to do, you have to draw the line segment of the following measurement using a ruler. This is called ruler. Okay, generally we say a scale, but actually in maths we say ruler. So in question number B1, you have to draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. So be careful. You see, in your ruler, it starts from 0. Always put a point on 0 and draw the line. So like here, where I am putting, my line starts from here. The line segment starts from here. So I will put 0 here. Look where I am putting. I am putting on the 0. And look where it is 3. 3 is, it is here. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. So this will be the end point of the line segment. So in this way we can draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. Now second question, 6.5. 6.5 means 6.5 centimeter. So again you start drawing the line segment. You always start from 0. It is 6 is here, and you see between 6 to 7 there are 10 small division are there. Here one small division means 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. So it is a line segment of 6.5 centimeter, or we can say 6.5 centimeter. 2 I have done in the live class, also I have explained, and the remaining please you do practice so that you can do correctly during any test or examinations. Now next topic is curve. Curve is not a straight line. Curve is not a straight line, and whatever I am giving in the video, I will also post the same thing in the Google Classroom, and you write down in the notebook submission. And when you write down in your notebook, and when I will tell you to submit your notebook, please submit, otherwise you will not get the marks, because it is my experience during last examination when it was instructed to submit the notebook, many students did not submit. So who will be the loser? You will be the loser, because 5 marks you will get. So in the final examination, when report card will be prepared, so those who will submit timely, neat and clean copy, for this 5 marks will be rewarded. So what I was telling, curves, a line that is not a straight is a curve. Okay, it is a curve. There are 2 types of curves. There are 2 curves, means like this. It is not a straight. We can say it is a curve. 2 types of curves are there. What are these? Closed curve, a curve that starts at point and ends at the same point is called a closed curve. Suppose I started drawing a curve from this. I draw and I end here. Means there is no gap. No gap. It is totally closed. So we can say it is a closed curve. This is also a closed curve. Open curve whose end point is not same as a starting point. So look here, it starts from here, okay, and it ends here. It is not closed, that's why it is called a closed curve. This is also, look, this is not meeting this point, this is not meeting this point, it is open here, open here, so it is a closed curve. Polygon. Polygon is a different things. Polygon is formed by joining straight lines. The closed shape. First thing, it should be closed, and while making polygon, the lines should be straight. The closed shape that are formed only using the straight lines are called polygon. A polygon has a minimum of 3 sides, because when 3 sides is there, then it will be closed. Like here, say I draw this one straight line, 2 straight line, and this is 3 straight line. What we say, it is closed, everyone. So it is a polygon, and it has how many sides? 1, 2 and 3. So when you have a polygon, polygon means closed figure, okay, and closed figure, and it will be made up of straight lines. So when 3 sides, then what we say? Triangle. When 4 sides, quadrilateral. 5 sides, pentagon. 6 sides, hexagon. 7 sides, heptagon. 8 sides, octagon. 9 sides, nonagon, and 10 decagon. In your book also, in page number 70, you can find out. Look here, triangle 3 sides, hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexagon. So please you look at this figure and study and try to understand. Still any doubt, you can leave the message in the Google Classroom, or in the live class also you are free to ask, okay. And when you send the message, please write down your name also, okay, so that individually I can address your problem. Now come to question number my practice time 2. Here figures are there, curves are there. We have to identify which one is closed and which one is open. Here I have done. Look, this is open here, so it is open. It is closed, so it is closed. Number C, name the following polygons. Look here, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentagon, 8 sides, octagon. Okay. Some questions I have done, and some questions you have to do. You have to practice, and you have to write down in your notebook. Don't leave that when examination will come, then only you have to write, and you start writing. Then it will be a lot of burden on you. Circle. What is circle? A circle is a plane shape. Remember, it is a plane shape. It is equidistant from a given point. Means, say this is a point. How to draw a circle? What we will do? We'll put this is what? Compass. We'll put compass here, and like this we will hold and draw the circle, okay, draw the circle, okay. And when you fix the compass, please be careful, it should be like this, not up and down, it should be same on the same plane, okay. Pencil and the needle of the compass, it should be on the same plane, okay. So what is this called? Center. If you draw any line from center to circle, it will be always equal. It will be always equal. Center to circle, it will be always equal. I hope you have understood circle. Now radius, the fixed distance from center to any point on the circle is called the radius. See, I have drawn a circle. This is O. O is the center. From O, and A is a point which is where it is exactly on the circle. B is a point where it is on the circle. If I join OA, if I join OB, OA and OB, they are equal in length. We can draw many radius. Okay, there is no limit. Okay, unlimited radius we can draw. But one thing, all radii, the plural of radius is called radii, radii, radii. All radii are equal in length. Okay, so OA and OB are radius. What is radius? A line segment drawn from center to circle. Now next point is diameter. A line segment which end point means, suppose I draw this line, okay, and it starts from A and end at B. So this A and B are called end point of the line segment. So a line segment which end point lie on the circle and passes through the circle, through the center, it will always pass through the center, is called diameter. Remember, diameter always pass through the center and its end point lie only on the circle, only on the center. So AB is the diameter, and remember diameter is twice of radius. If anybody asks that the radius of a circle is 2 centimeter, so what will be its diameter? Just you multiply it with 2, you double it, 2 2 are 4. If radius is 3, so it will be 2 3 are 6. So from here we have derived a formula, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. If you know the radius, easily you can find out the diameter. So this formula is very important, very important. Chord, the line segment, okay, any line segment which end point where its end point is called a chord. Which end point always lie where? It lies on the circle, like AB. AB are the two end points of a line segment, and where it is lying? It is lying on the circle. So AB is a chord. Similarly, CD is a chord. CD is diameter also, and CD is the chord also. Why it is a chord? Because it passed through the CD is a chord and CD is a diameter. Why CD is called a chord? Because its end points lie on the circle. Okay, and remember, diameter is the longest chord. Okay, you draw as many chord as you want, but always remember, diameter is the longest chord. So here AB and CD both are chord, but CD is the longest chord, which is also happens to be the diameter of the circle. In my practice time 3, okay, some figures are given in question number 1. 4 figures are there. I have done 2. Like this is the figure. Okay, in this figure you have to find out radius. Radius means center to circle. So OQ is a radius, OR is a radius. Okay, diameter always pass through the center. So PQ is a radius. And what is chord? PQ is a chord and ST is a chord. I hope you all have understood. Okay, any doubt you can ask. in the class or leave message. Similarly, in figure B, OA, OB, OC, OD are the radius. OA, OB, OC, OD are the radius. AB is the diameter and AB is also a chord. Okay. In number B, very important, draw circle with the following radii on your notebook. 2 centimeter. What you have to do to draw the radius? First of all, you draw a line segment 2 centimeter. First you draw a line segment 2 centimeter. After drawing, what you have to do? You put compass, the needle of compass here on one end point and another on the and the pencil on the another end point, and then you draw the circle. Okay, then in this way you will obtain the radius of 2 centimeter of a circle. Similarly 1.8. So 1 and 0.8 means I say na, between 1 and 2 there are 10 division is there. So you just count 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. So it will be 1.8. You join and put the needle of compass here and pencil on another end point and then draw the circle. In number C, here what is O? O is center. What is HD? HD is what? It is passing through the center, end point lie on the circle, so it is a diameter. What is OP? OP is a radius. What is AB? AB is the chord. True, false, it is given in the book. Question is there and I have not written the questions. Okay, number 1 true, number 2 false, 3 false, 4 true. Here number 1, the diameter is the longest chord. True. The diameter is 2 times the circumference. False. Number 3, a circle can have only one diameter. False. What perimeter is equal? 2 square circumference is to circle. The answer is true. Perimeter means boundary, and when we talk about circle, so circumference is called the boundary of the circle. Okay. So HOTS means high order thinking skill. It is given in page 74. Given the measure of radius, find the diameter. R is equal to 2. So as I said, radius is given 2. So diameter will become the double. So formula is 2 into R. 2 2 ja 4. And remaining you do by yourself. Evaluate. Fill in the blanks I have done. In number 1, plane. Number 2, unlimited. Number 3, sides. Number 4, half. And number 5, it is chord. So I hope with this video your all doubts will be clear regarding these chapters and you will learn. Please write down in your notebook and practice. Many questions I have done, some questions left. You do, and any problem you ask. Thank you.